I keep telling people that whatever car you come in to MOBIS, there will be components inside the car that is provided by MOBIS. MOBIS will be important for the mobility now and for the future for everyone. My name is Jan Borgenhede. I'm the operations manager and in parallel the site manager. I take care of everything that comes into the warehouse, stays in the warehouse and leave the warehouse. I have been with MOBIS for a little bit more than 12 years now. I've been spending more or less my whole life in the area of logistics and supply chain. I've been working with outdoor products. The brand of Husqvarna might be well known around the world, as well as Electrolux when it comes to domestic appliances. Been working both with spare parts and the appliances itself. But in my current position, I actually have the total responsibility of what is ongoing in the warehouse at the PDC. That was actually from the advertising of the position, looking forward to be able to combine automotive together with logistics and supply chain. There are no day that is the same as the day before. So every day has new challenges, and the possibility and the ability in the organization to provide solutions to whatever challenge we have to deal with. That is actually the most exciting with MOBIS. Everyone knows about the challenges that is related to the corona, for instance. The important thing is to understand what is the issue and then define what is needed to solve the issue. And in order to do that, again, back to the team members' experience and knowledge and the specialist to come up with a solution and then, of course, together implement the solution. And in order to do that, it's also then, of course, important that all information is transparent, that everyone is up to date and actually on the same page. At the moment we are extending the warehouse with furthermore close to 10,000 square meters, and that is the most exciting project I have ever been taking part of. The major reason is, of course, the success in the market, that we over the years have been achieving more and more sales, and then, of course, needing more and more space. Actually, it's how we dealt with the storing capacity. So from nothing, kind of, in terms of additional storing, we've actually then been able to extend the business with using off-site warehouses, multiple at the same time, and still run the business with high efficiency and high quality and serving the customers in due time. I would say the biggest strength is me being a generalist. I believe the opportunity is higher to deal with whatever challenge is on your table. So the specialists provide alternatives for solutions, and then I, as a manager, then can decide what solution would then be best suitable. From my perspective, the most important thing is to create a team with experienced and knowledge and educated people. And the important thing is actually to listen to what they have to say. And if they are not saying anything, you then actually have to encourage them to provide their experience and knowledge. Then it's up to me then to make the appropriate decisions from what I hear from my specialists. So whatever challenge is on the table, I will then be able to use my organization, my way of listening, coaching, that we can deal with future challenges that I'm sure that will end up on the table. At the moment, the major goal is then, of course, to finalize the warehouse extension the 1st of January 2025. More or less every year since the start of 2008, we have been achieving higher and higher volumes. This is, of course, then due to the success in the market of the car sales via the distributors and dealers in the markets. I keep telling people that whatever car you come in to MOBIS, there will be components inside the car that is provided by MOBIS. MOBIS will provide mobility for whoever is asking for it, and perhaps even for people who is not asking for it and perhaps not even understand it. MOBIS will be important for the mobility now and for the future for everyone. For sure, I'm really grateful for the time so far that we have spent together. We have learned a lot from each other, and most of all, we have made a lot of achievements together. So I'm really looking forward to keep on working together with my teams.